Why so many 3D artists are choosing Blender? Over the past few years, it's been quite a debate topic forever, which 3D program is the best tool to use as a 3D artist.
In your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
The most used programs in this industry are Cinema 4D, 3ds Max, Houdini, and Blender. Today we will speak about Blender. Blender is a free and open-source 3D creation suite. It's used for modeling, animation, rendering, video editing, and more. The fact that so many artists are changing their software that they used for decades is fascinating.
I'm out of here.
Why you think this is happening?
I don't know.
Well, my opinion is that, first of all, Blender is a free program compared to other softwares like Cinema 4D, which you have to pay fucking $919 per year. The price of an annual Autodesk 3ds Max subscription is $1,975, and the price of a monthly 3ds Max subscription is $235. The price of a 3-year 3ds Max subscription is $5,625. Crazy amounts of money indeed. You have to be hella rich for it.
I'm talking about this.
Also, Blender has an amazing supportive community compared to other programs. Community, you might have a problem or something, is crashing in your Blender project, and you can go in countless Blender groups in Facebook, Discords, Instagram pages, and lots of more. Blender has come a long way. Since 2000, it's been an amazing journey. Since I've been using this wonderful program, it's been almost 2 years. I have started to use it as my main program in 3D world. Since 2 years, Blender has been updated and changed so much. That's where Blender is 2 steps ahead of almost every program. They update a lot in each update, and also, they are very wonderful people. Ton Roosendahl is the founder of Blender. I wish I could meet your ass so I can say, thanks, but please remove the default cube, bruh. It's useless. What do you guys think? Will Blender dominate every program out there? Share your opinion on comments. I would love to hear. Thank you guys for watching.